Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cool looking and mysterious cube in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I'll show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this cube, and it could be a little bit tricky because we are drawing a three-dimensional form, but it's actually not that bad. So I'm gonna hopefully this way of drawing it will make it easier for you guys. So I'm gonna draw in the top section of this cube first. So in order to draw that, I'm gonna draw just make one point, and then just kind of come down. I'm gonna make another point. So these are gonna be the corners, and then from this distance here, just trying to find the middle, about the midpoint, and then just go out. So it's almost like basically a triangle. Okay, so midpoint here, then go out and just make another point. And now I'm just going to connect these two. Okay, so it's basically a little bracket, and we're not going to connect this because it's actually the top plane. And then once we have that, so I'm just going to come across here. I'm going to draw another point here. So this both sides going to be symmetrical. So now I'm just going to connect that. Alright, so you basically have like a diamond shape. So this is going to be the top plane of one of the planes for the cube. Alright, so once we have this in the middle here, we're going to come straight down. And then after this line, I'm going to start on the bottom, and I'm going to draw a line going this way. And it's going to be the same slant as this line here. But I'm going to draw it slightly shorter. So I'm going to go out. And just kind of stop a little bit short. And don't worry about it if yours is a little bit longer or a little bit shorter. So this line coming down should be almost straight as this, but slightly kind of coming inward a little bit. So it's going to be tapering in. So it's a little bit skinnier on the bottom here. Okay, you see how this line kind of slants inward a little bit. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the same thing on this side. So same thing here, this line's gonna go out, same slant as that, and just gonna be slightly shorter. And then once you have that, we're gonna connect this. And for this line, you want to make sure if it's not just vertical, kind of have it go in this side. Make sure you don't have it going out, because then that's gonna really make it weird. Okay, so see how this kind of comes inward a little bit, and that's what gives the illusion that it's a three-dimensional cube. So now that we have the three face, and we just kind of have to draw in all those little details. And this part's a little bit tricky too, but just try to follow these rules. So let's say I want to draw one little square in here. So for this line going, just make sure it's the same direction as this line. And then for these lines, it's the same slant as that. Okay, and then come back down. Alright, so this line, same slant as all these other lines. And this line here, the same as that. So as long as you keep those slants the same, it should look okay. So this line's gonna follow through. And then there's gonna be some angle one, so I'm gonna draw in just right on the tip here. I'm just gonna draw another line. Okay, so there's basically 4 quadrants, right? So this is one of them. So let's move over to this side and let's draw some more of these lines. I'm gonna go this way, and I'm gonna follow this way. Okay, follow that line. I'm gonna slant down. So if we're going down, same slant as this way. Okay, and then inside here. Let's add one more. And then I'm gonna start here. Okay, same slant. And now there's gonna be one going this way. And then let's see, for this one, we don't have to draw exactly the same. Okay, and then here, just kind of follow it through, slightly longer or offset, and just draw that. So you see how all these lines are the same direction. So that's the key, as long as you have that. And then now for this one's at an angle, so it's a little bit strange. And then let's add something down here. So I'm not going to be filling up the whole space. I'll just add some. As long as we have some, it should, add to the effect for this, whatever these things are, this written language. Okay, so for these lines, this way, and then I'm going to draw one big one here, and then going up, same slant as this, so this is going to be straight up. If I want to come across, it's going to be same as this. And then on the bottom here, let's draw. So it's easier to draw in the lines on the side, right? It's closer to the edge, you can just kind of follow it. So start on the edge and just kind of work inwards. Let's add one slant here. And then here, going up. Here, start on the side. And yeah, it's a little bit tricky, so don't worry if your lines are kind of wobbly or in the wrong direction. As long as you have some. And then maybe I'll just add in 2 lines in here. Okay, so one more side. So let's go. Let's start on the edge again. And then for this one, we're gonna slant this way. Let's draw in 2 lines like this. And then this one, let's go on the edge again. Up. Let's close that off. And then let's go up 1 line here. Let's draw this cross. And then I'm just gonna draw 1 more here. I'll call that done. So once you've drawn this, the cool thing is that you can actually start rotating this and it'll still look like a cube. And looks like we're just gonna be seeing it from a different perspective. So it kind of works, either you spin it all the way around. And that is it for this drawing of the cube. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.